how to create Pinterest account. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can create a Pinterest account. So simply open up the browser on your computer, type in the search bar pinterest.com. After that, press enter, and then from over there it is gonna take you over here. So from over here you guys can see the dashboard of Pinterest. Click on the top right where it says sign up, and then after that put in your email, your password, your age, and then you would be able to continue and your account on Pinterest is going to be created. This is how you guys can create a Pinterest account, and then you will be able to create pins. So I'm going to create an account and I'll be back in just a second. So once you have created your account, you will see something like this. So now from over here you guys can click on the bottom right, and you guys can get answers to your frequently asked questions, and also you guys can create a pin as well by clicking on the top left where it says create, and then clicking on create pin or create idea pin. So you guys can choose whichever option you desire. I'm gonna click on create pin, and I can simply put in my title, put in a description, put in a picture, and also add a destination link as well, so that when people click on it, it will take them to another website. So that is how easy it is to create an account on Pinterest and use Pinterest as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.